Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on our channel where we solve a lot of problems that might come in SAT exams or PE exam for professional engineers, FE exam most likely, and PE gonna be more advanced than that, but FE exam most likely, and some of undergrad also taking this concept. So today's problem that we have, I'm sadly gonna say like I don't like this type of problems because the easier way to solve them is to remember the rules. Which is like as an engineer or like I graduated with masters, I believe I would like to know the concepts. I know the concept for them. However, the easier way and the fastest way is to remember the rules. So for our problem right now, let's say which of the following expression is equivalent to sine 2 theta? So if you don't know, sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cosine theta. Okay, really easy to remember. Sine 2 theta is 2 theta cosine theta. Okay, let's add something. Also like to know all the rules, because try as much as you can to remember these rules. It will be much way easier in any exam that you have. You're gonna finish it in 10 seconds instead of like keep trying all your best to calculate it, and it's gonna take forever to do it. So there is a way to remember it. So cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta is actually the cosine 2 theta. Okay, so this one is the sine 2 theta, this one is the cosine 2 theta. So what is sine theta cosine theta? Look at this one. So sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cosine theta. How we can remove this 2? So it's gonna be half sine 2 theta. Okay, that probably the only one that you're gonna use your mind to do it instead of like remember it. So that is how, like if you think about it, like also if they both 4 here, that means it's gonna be 2 sine 2 theta. So that's how you can just remember how to do it by this way. Okay, but of course there is a way to remember it as we mentioned. So 1 minus cosine 2 theta divided by 2 is actually sine squared theta. Okay, and if I want to add one more to remember, because also it's common a lot in exams, cosine 2 theta 2. So with the positive, it's gonna be cosine squared theta. Another one that I remembered right now, but like sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equal 1. I think this one is like pretty obvious, but I can go on and on and a lot of equivalent equation that you need to remember, or like the best way is to remember it, but that's what I have for now, and I don't want to make like a big video for it. But also if you want me like to explain how to do it by math part and how to prove it by the math part, please let me know in the comments and I will be happy to do this video. But for now, just try to remember it. SAT is all about the time. FE is all about the time. So the easier way is to remember it. Okay? Please write me in the comments if you have any questions, and have a wonderful day.